When it comes to building brand awareness, Google's display advertising network can be a game changer for businesses of all sizes. One of the main advantages of this type of advertising is its huge network of diverse sites. Google's display network includes millions of websites, blogs, videos, and even apps. This vast reach allows businesses to showcase their brand to potential customers as they browse their favorite websites, watch videos, or use mobile apps. The more places your brand appears, the more likely people are to recognize and remember it. Whether you're targeting potential customers on news sites, social media platforms, or lifestyle blogs, Google's display network offers a huge variety of places to display your ads. This diversity ensures that your brand can be seen by a broad audience. Google Display Advertising also offers powerful targeting tools. You can focus your ads on specific demographics, interests, locations, and even online behavior. This helps you get your message in front of people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. For example, you can target users who have previously visited your website or have shown interest in similar products. By reaching the right people at the right time, your brand message becomes more effective and impactful. Repeated exposure to your brand is key to building recognition. With display ads, your brand can appear frequently across different online spaces, reinforcing your message and increasing visibility. Over time, people will start to associate your logo, colors, and messaging with the values your brand represents. This continuous presence helps solidify your position in the minds of potential customers. One of the best things about Google Display Network is that it can be quite cost-effective. With bidding like cost per 1,000 impressions, you only pay for the number of times your ad is shown, making it a great option for businesses looking to get the most out of their advertising budget. In summary, GDN is an excellent platform for building brand awareness. With its massive reach across diverse sites, advanced targeting options, and cost-effective pricing, businesses can create a strong, lasting presence online. If you're looking to increase your brand recognition and reach a broad audience, display ads with Google should be at the top of your marketing strategy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Ads tips. And if you need help with your Google Ads account, get in touch and see how we can help. See you in the next video.